The School of My Dreams English Essay. Every morning I get up early to go to school. I don't like my school very much. I like going to school, but this is not a kind of school that I wish. I want to build a school of my dreams, where the things would different. In my dream school, the teachers would be friendlier to children. They would understand the children better and will not pressurize them to study too much. For an overall development of a child, other activities like music, dance, theater, sports are also important. I would definitely want to give these activities a good place in my dream school. I want that children should be encouraged more to show their talents in all the fields rather than studies only. It is common to have too much of academic pressure in school, but in my school I would want children to enjoy their childhood too. From the very early age, children are burdened with books, exams, written work, and so on. I would rather want children to gain more of practical knowledge than just bookish knowledge only. It is the world of competition. Children should be confident and well trained to handle it. Preparing them to face the world confidently will not come by pressurizing or scaring them to excel in exams. I would want teachers to make the students think themselves and come up with ideas of their own. By observation, exploration, children will learn faster than mugging up. My dream school will also have a big building and big playgrounds. A football ground, a cricket ground, basketball, volleyball, and tennis courts will be definitely there. In my dream school, I want the uniform to be casual and colorful instead of the plain dull colors with tie and belt. Children will look smart in casuals and will be comfortable too. I want children from all the backgrounds in my school, whether rich or poor, of any caste, religion, etc. I want children to be free and learn through fun-based activities, in a play mode and through experimenting. In my dream school, I wish children to leave their childhood because it will never come back. I want their childhood to be free from tensions and worries, and they can do that in my dream school. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.